Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ayodele Kasim, your host on this channel. Please do wait to click the subscription button and also click the notification button. So anytime any video is posted from this channel, you will be notified. Right. Today we'll be looking at empirical formula. By definition, empirical formula is the formula that gives the simplest whole number ratio of the component elements of the compound. Okay, underline that word. Whole number ratio of the components of elements in a particular compound. So let's look at this question on the board. The question says the empirical formula of a gaseous hydrocarbon 1.45 gram contains carbon 1.20 gram and contains hydrogen of 0.25 grams. So let's determine the whole number ratio of these elements. Remember, the carbon contains only hydrogen and carbon. So what do we do? So let's quickly rule our line. All right, let's look at elements. Elements. All right, what are the elements we have? We have carbon and we have hydrogen. Now, what are the percentage or what are the values of the respective carbon and hydrogen? Okay, for carbon, we have 1.2 gram, and for hydrogen, we have 0.25. Now, when you add these two together, okay, carbon plus hydrogen, okay, when you add their values together, you have 1.20 plus 0.25 to give you 1.45 gram, okay, which is the total of the hydrocarbon. So let's get back into this now. Okay, you can say the value of element in gram. Let's say the element in gram. Okay, the next thing now is you're going to be dividing by what? By their respective molar mass. Okay, divide by respective molar, that's what? Mass over molar mass, which gives us what? Our N. So we have 1.20 divided by the molar mass of carbon is 12, while hydrogen is what? Is while hydrogen is 1. Alright, when you divide this one give you 0.1, this still remains 0.25. What's the next thing? The next thing is divide all through. Divide by the smallest number. Smallest number. Divide by the smallest number. Out of 0.1 and 0.25, which are the smallest? Of course, is 0.1. 0.1 divided by 0.1 and 0.25 divided by 0.1. When you do this, you're going to have 1. So when you do this, you're going to have 2.5. Okay, my empirical formula now is 1 and 2.5. All right, but according to my definition, when I say the empirical formula gives the simplest whole number ratio, what I'm seeing here is 1, and what I'm seeing here 2.5. This 2.5 is not a whole number, it's decimal number. So there is need for me to be professional about what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to multiply through by a number that will give me whole number. Did you get that method? If you multiply by 1, it still be 1 and 2.5. So multiply all through by 2. Multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. Why am I multiplying by 2? Is for me to be able to get my whole number. So times 2 we have 2. Times 2 we have 5. So my empirical formula now is C2H5. All right, this one is showing the ratio of carbon to hydrogen 2:5. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so do well to subscribe and click the like button. I also share my video. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Signing out.